This is the Ethereum one-day reading for June 28th, 2023. It's currently May 18th, 2023, 8:52 p.m. Eastern Time. Ethereum at the time of this reading is currently $1,802.90. That's USD. And the shuffle video for June 28th's prediction was created on May 6th, 2023 at 11:29 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a prominent move higher followed by a full retracement of that move. It correlates quite strongly to the Knight of Wands as well. They have very similar chart patterns. Behavior around the highest high, we have a move higher through resistance. We stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. Behavior around the low, there's an important price level there on a multi-day scale. A good kind of like mean between an opening up a long position and a short position to play some price swinging over the next several days. So a lot of price change allowing for one to put on a short and a long position. That price change is involved in the low. I'm advised to trade around a period of sideways rotation and a sharp drop that stands out in that period of sideways rotation. There may also be a female leader speaking, or a leader speaking about economics highlighted around the low. It's possible. So in the first 2 hours of trading, we have a notable decline increasing with momentum moving forward in time. We have a trough at about 1 a.m. We do some sideways rotation, establishing support, moving into the 2 to 4 o'clock block. And out of that sideways rotation, there's a big move higher and a prominent high for the day. Probably the high of the day here at a crest between 4 and 6 a.m. We sell off from that crest down to and through support, do a U-shaped reversal, come back and reuse it as support, and then there's another resistance level highlighted between 6 and 8. Volatility probably flattens out here before a notable decline between 8 and 10. That decline between 8 and 10 marks an opportunity to open up a long position in anticipation of like this pop and drop that we're going to see, because out of the decline we have the opposite card between 10 and 12 where we rally, offering opportunity to close a long position and possibly open up a short position. But we want to open up a long position in the midst of a decline between 8 and 10 a.m. and then we want to close a long position in the midst of a rally between 10 and 12 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. There's an important resistance highlighted. A lot of price change here on the 28th, guys. Important resistance is highlighted around noontime and a sharp drop with the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline at a key resistance level that we meet several times. And that decline continues into the 2 to 4 o'clock hour where we see a low for the day. Might also have been an exit here for a short position, as well as an exit from if one opened up a short position here around this stone here at maybe 6:30 p.m. last night. This is probably an exit for that in the midst of a low as well. Right around 4 p.m. we have a prominent move higher in a breakout on a one-day kind of scale. That move higher, however, turns into a failed rally, breaking down into a prominent trough between 4 and 6. Decline continues until we meet decline continues between 6 and 8 until we meet a important support level that we rotate sideways along, and then that important support level, that rotation along that important support level between 8 and 10 p.m. ends with a fast sudden move higher somewhere between 10 and 12, a big move higher pushing the upper end of a range higher. We might have we might have another, probably not a high, but an important crest here. We might push the upper end of the day's high here. Might push it higher, but more likely it's just a big move higher pushing the upper end of a range. And then it looks like when we move into the following day, there's some erratic price behavior. We'll get into that in more detail, but volume was very mixed, back and forth, kind of swinging going on here for the day. And that's Ethereum for June 28th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. And always, as always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Super important you do that here at our resources tab. 5% of the profits from this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, guaranteeing the flow of abundance. 5% of those profits should be donated back to the channel, guaranteeing a mind of gratitude, and the combination of expectation and gratitude will yield more manifestation of abundance. Make sure you spend that money out of love, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.